Good morning, traders. Today's Thursday, January 26, 8:19 a.m., 10 minutes before opening bell. What we have here is a showdown, guys. We have a showdown. I have the 65-minute chart from actually last week. Remember this? When we hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times, came down. Remember that? This is the channel top. Well, guess what? We're at it now. We're there. Overnight, it held the one, well, you can't really see it, but this is the 1 week EMA 50 that has dogged the markets all of 2022. Not only did it take it back, as I mentioned in last night's episode, it took it back and held it, and now it's going for the channel top. And it's also, the channel top coincides perfectly, no coincidence there, by the way, the weekly expected move that markets fall in 80% of the time. That's the week WEM 80% right there. That's the weekly expected move, 403 on the nose. Okay, so we are now at the upper end of the weekly expected move and at the upper end of the channel exactly. Okay, right there. But nonetheless, here are your lower levels. In case it goes down here, I don't think so. But I put it in there anyways. Here's the bottom of the channel. There's the hive. Here's the bottom of the channel. Here's the top of the channel. Now, I wanted to call this out. Zero reset. It means the top of this hump is not considered bearish divergence to this top because the zero resets it. You restart the clock when you go past under the zero line and you start over. This has nothing to do with that. Okay? That's how to interpret that. Look at the RSI on the 65-minute chart, 93.29. Are you serious? You can't be serious. Okay? So, let's go to the next slide. 5 minutes chart. This is the last slide. There. I mean, it's actually had already taken the top of the channel. But I expect at opening bell, it's going to come back down. It's got to come back down and back test it. It's not just going to take off. I don't think so. I hope it doesn't. Actually, I want it to come back down. Back test this the EMA, the 5-minute EMA 50 right here. So, but honestly, like you just saw earlier on those 1, 2, 3, 4 attempts last week, I don't expect this channel to just give up the fight and just let it walk right on. Let SPY walk right through the channel without a fight. So I expect at opening bell that sucker to come down and backtest this EMA 50. Right? That's what I expect. I expect a fight at opening bell. I don't expect, oh, it's just going to take off and go. Whew. I'd be shocked if it did. Okay? So yeah, here's what last night I mentioned. When it took it. It took it and held it. Now check this out. It gapped up. However, came back down and filled the gap and took off. So this is not a gap and crap or gap and go scenario. It already filled the gap. Okay? Here are your levels nonetheless. Look at these layers here. Look at the strata of layers right here. So here are your levels. Intraday, you know, I don't think it's going to come down to this if it's got this much power on the RSI, but you never know. You never know. Okay, that's basically all I've got for you guys today. It's going to be yes or no question. Are you going to overtake the top of this channel or not today? If you do, wow. Okay, so expecting a back test, come back up, and then expect a back test on top of this channel, and then go. That's when I would go long. Okay, that's when I would go long. Don't be going long right in here. No, 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 no. Wait for the back test. Come up past it again. Come up past top of this channel. Back test top of the channel, and then go long. That's what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, I'm gonna sit back and eat my popcorn and watch the fireworks fly. Okay? That's all I've got. Talk to you again on Market Recap.